Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide active status on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile, and then click the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and then proceed to settings and privacy. Now use the search function located at the top of your screen and then search activity, or simply ACTI for short, and then you will see show activity status and then tap on that. In my case, my activity status is already off, but if yours is turned on like this one, just simply toggle the switch off, and that's how you can easily hide your active status on Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!